Hello everyone, I'm John Veracoyas, Software Product Manager at Tripp Lite. In this video, I will provide a high-level overview of Tripp Lite's latest firmware release for LX platform devices, which includes UPSs, PDUs, and cooling units. Power Alert Device Manager version 20, or PATM 20 for short, introduces a new firmware platform architecture, graphical user interface, supporting multiple new features and enhancements. Let's take a look. On logging in from a standard web browser, PATM 20 opens to the dashboard page. Throughout the interface, the main menu appears along the left side. On the top are the administrative functions such as self-management, help and about, actions, including your maintenance functions where you would check for updates as well as apply them, and to perform device configuration backup and restore. Language selection, English is only supported in the first release. The next icon over is your alert summary. The color of the box indicates the highest level severity of all active alerts, and the number represents the quantity. Moving to the main menu, the dashboard page allows you to customize which gauges and graphs you want to display by using the Add and Edit functions. Some gauges are interactive, allowing you to click on them in order to change the settings live in that environment. The Device menu item displays the current device metrics and parameters as well as the device properties. The Loads page summarizes the load configuration of the device. For devices that support switched outlets, this is where you would go to individually turn on and off select outlets, as well as to set up your load and ramp shed parameters and your load groups. For UPSs that support external battery packs, this menu item will appear. This page shows a summary of all batteries configured to the UPS and contains an embedded EBP configuration utility for the addition and removal of external battery packs. The Events and Actions menu allows you to edit individual events, to set your alert contexts and edit them, including email, SMS, and outbound SNMP, to manage device actions, to create and manage scheduled actions, as well as for adding and configuring autoprobes. The Network menu item allows administrators to enter and edit settings for Internet, network services, and SMTP. PATM 20 introduces a number of new security features. One is the ability for administrators to view and even terminate active user sessions. In the User Accounts page, administrators can add local users, inbound SNMP users, and to add one or more servers, including LDAP. Roles and privileges are new to PATM 20. This feature allows for the creation and customization of user roles. For each role, individual privileges are assigned by simply selecting or unselecting the available options. The Security Settings page allows administrators to configure timeouts, apply password policies, and to add an SSL certificate if required. In the Logs menu item, the accounting log records who accessed the device. The application log records background system events that can be exported and shared with Tripp Lite technical support to aid in troubleshooting. The data log is totally revamped in PATM 20, providing time-based readings down to a resolution of 10 seconds. The event log summarizes all device and system-related events, and each of these logs can be set up for automatic export to specified users. PATM 20 also supports a robust command line interface, capable of configuration and operational functions. Use the help command to identify available commands at that level. Each command is well documented. Simply type in man along with the command name to display the name, the description, the synopsis or syntax of the command's use, as well as examples. The CLI uses a nested directory structure to access additional layers of commands and information. In this case, displaying the same information that would be shown on the device details page of the graphical user interface. So that covers PATM 20 at a high level. I will be creating additional videos to cover specific PATM 20 topics in greater detail. I'm John Veracois, and thank you for watching.